Udah ya, mulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are Group 5 and we're gonna present our company, which is named PT Banua Mitra Lestari Pusat. But before we start, I'd like to introduce ourselves first. Firstly, there is Alhamdi Askahanan, and there is Gusti Muhammad Ilham Gifari, there is Muhammad Gibran Nur Hakim, there is Hayadila Yusuf, and there is Tian Safarini. So, for the introduction, PT Banua Mitra Lestari Pusat is a renowned company specializing in confection services, offering high-quality custom clothing production to meet a wide range of customer needs. It's located strategically. The company has established itself as a trusted partner for businesses, organizations, and individuals seeking exceptional craftsmanship in clothing design and production. Designs of goods and services. So, about the host quality, I'd like to start with the customer requirement firstly. So, the section on the left, we identify that the 5 key needs is high quality fabrics and clothes, design options, delivery time, pricing, and customer service. So each requirement has been ranked by importance with values ranging from 3 to 5 based on customer feedback and market research. And for the technical specification, across the top, this represents the how, the technical action we need to implement to meet customer needs. The specification include quality testing processes, producing a variety of designs, cost-efficient supply chains, fast supply chain methods to lower delivery time, and customer support integration. And for the relationships between what and how is in the center of the matrix. We show the relationship between customer needs and technical specification. Strong relationships are marked with a 9, or relationship with 3 and weak ones with 1. So the correlation among technical specification is that the triangular roof at the top shows correlation. For the positive correlation marked with plus indicate areas where improvement in one area benefit another, while the negative correlation marked with negative highlight potential trade-off. For the competitive assessment on the right, we compare our performance against competitors in the Confexi and Gayatex. For each technical specification, this assessment helps us identify gaps and opportunities to differentiate. For the target, we define the target by conducting quality tests on 80% of incoming fabric batches, partner with at least 15 verified high-quality supplies by year-end, reduce logistics and warehousing costs by 15% within 12 months, maintain an average inventory turnover rate of 8 times per year, and introduce 50 new products per quarter to align with market trends. So, in summary, the House of Quality provides a comprehensive framework to translate customer needs into actionable technical specification, ensuring we prioritize the right areas to meet market demands. Next part is gonna be about management of quality. So, quality management, the quality is that the clothes are using drill techniques, meaning it's to manage the quality earlier. They have to keep using the drill techniques consistently. So everything used is use it unless there are other requests. Unless there's different requests for each technique. So it depends on the design that is requested by the customer. So they make it from finished materials, and then they make production from the process of cutting the fabric, then to finishing, then packing. Total quality management method. So the method used by Banua is total quality management to improve its products and services. TQM helps the business focus on making customers happy by always improving quality. The company can train workers to check the fabric for defects, and it involves everyone in finding better ways to sew clothes and listen to the customer feedbacks. And the game also encourages teamwork, so the employees from all departments can work together to solve the problem and make the process easier. And the next slide is gonna be explained by my friend Tian.
Okay, uh, process design and capacity. This is process design and capacity, and now I explain analysis part or CPM. Uh, Part or CPM critical path method, part program evaluation and review technique, and CPM critical path method are project management tools used to plan and schedule the tasks in a project. For PT Banua Mitra Lestari Pusat, we can outline the key activity involved in a project to improve production capacity. This is a capacity and duration. Critical path and workflow. The critical path includes activity A, B, C, D, F, G, H, totaling 36 days. This timeline assumes no delay in double predecessor activity, especially D, material sourcing, and F, saving and assembly. Detail step. First, customer requirement analysis A. Starting activity for Getria products specification, design preference, fabric type, and required by the design team to process to mark up. Second, interior design preparation B. The design team create raw design based on input from activity A predecessor A. Third, customer approval of design C. Analyze the design with customer input. Double predecessor required complete B. Initial design and involve direct customer input. And fourth, material sourcing and procurement D. Begin searching material after confirming design, and double predecessor depends on B. Design prep and C. Design approval. 5. Cutting and preparation A. Fabrics are cut according to finalized design patterns and predecessor D. 6. Sewing and assembly F. Assembly gradement after material are cut, and double predecessor requires input from D material and E cutting. 7. Finishing G. H. Add final touch buttons, touching detail, QA checks, and predecessor F. And the last 8. Packing and distribution H. Final activity includes packing product for shipping predecessor G. Capacity and production strategy. First, current capacity and constraints. Current output capacity 3,000 until 4 units per month, and machine stock saving machine 9 units, overlook outlast machine 2 units, button equipment 1 unit. Worker productivity daily work hours 7:40 am to 5 p.m. and focus production split between school uniform, PNS uniform, and retail garment. Scrapability limitation. Limitation machine could lead to bottleneck during high demand periods, and manual process in finishing and QA check and optimization. And B. Future capacity expansion. Short-term strategy at 3 until 5 sewing machine and 1 button equipment to increase capacity to 5 500 until 600 units per month. And long-term strategy expand workshop space to accommodate an additional assembly line for new garment categories and increase workforce to handle finishing and distribution more efficiently. And location and production flow, Tegalrejo facility layout, first floor, cutting and sewing, and machine 9 sewing, 2 outlets, 1 baton equipment, and second floor, additional cutting and preparation activity. And slide continue by Hamdi.
Okay, for next stage, I'm gonna explain about location strategy. For the address, the company placed on Sunan Kudus Street number 9, Gatak Taman Tirto, Kasihan Bantul, Special Region Yogyakarta. Actually, there is no reason for choosing that location because all of operational activity handle online from customer care, consultation is handled online, shipping is handled by online as well. So there is nothing to do with location strategy decision. Next, for layout strategy, there is some of rooms in the company, just a small land, and it's just for actually eight rooms. The first room, when we as a customer, we will get into main room, which is the display room for display, and then belah kirinya there is karyawan room, employee room. Display is included the cloth example and reservations for customer for counseling. In the backstage, there is production room, included tailor machine jahit, mesin bordir, and so on. In sebelah kirinya, there is CFO and CMO, Chief Finance Officer and Chief Marketing Officer for that room. Next, for upstairs, we will see cutting room. Cutting room for just small room because it don't need big size of room. And sebelah and beside the cutting room there is a warehouse, I mean gudang for keep raw material. So for efficient and effective reason, warehouse is put most far room, most difficult access in this company, because for the chain is for more effective chain for raw material, and then cutting, and then production, after that display. Thank you.
Next, we're gonna talk about human resource and job design. So this is organization structural in PT Banua. There are Tanaka Hirotato as a owner, Irianto as a head of finance, Tejo as head of marketing, and Sinta as head of production. Next. So this is the job desk for each division. For owner, vision and strategy, establish the company's vision, mission, and long-term strategy. Key decision, make strategic decision relate to investment, expand, and partnership. Supervision, ensure all department align with the company's goals and value. External relation, building relationship with the business partner, investor, and other key stakeholders. For head of finance, finance management, managing the company budget, finding reporting, prepare regular finance report, control costs, ensure all departments use the budget efficiently, and tax planning. For head marketing, marketing strategy, develop and execute marketing strategy to increase brand awareness, market analysis, research and understand market trends, promotion management, plan and oversee advertising campaigns, and customer relationship, build strong relationship with the customer to enhance loyalty and satisfaction. And for head of production, production planning, quality control, resource management, oversee the use of raw materials, equipment, and labor, and problem solving, address any production issues to maintain smooth operations. Next. So this is requirement for each division. For head of finance, the head of finance should have a good understanding of basic accounting, financial management for smalling business, and the ability to create simple report using basic finance softwares. For head of marketing, the head of marketing must understand simple marketing strategies, effectively use social media, and be able to find a low cost of collaborating opportunities to boost sales. And for head of production, the head of production need basic experience in a garment production process, the ability to organize efficient work schedules, and the skill to solve minor production issues quickly. And for the next is gonna be explained by our member Gusti Muhammad.
Okay, so the next is supply chain management. Okay, this is a supplier list. First is customer communication. So communication is primarily through telephones, and it is a standard method every company. The second one is customer provide their requirement, and this information is passed on the marketing team. So the second one is the marketing team to the design team. Marketing team communicate customer need to the design team to create the designs. And the third one is design team to marketing team. So the design team finalize the design and send them back to the marketing team for review and approval the design. The fourth one is marketing to customer. So the marketing team present or the design to the customer for approval. So if there any chance, we'll communicate back to the design team. So the fifth is customer approval to the production. So if the customer approve the design, the order is moved to production, or the design will be created. So the last one is production process. So the first one is the fabric is arrived, and the second one is cutting, third one is sewing, fourth is packing, distribution, and then deliver to the customer. So this is The supply selection criteria play a key role in ensuring the success of the confection process. Like the first one is reliability and punctuality. So suppliers must consistent deliver materials on time to avoid delays. And the second one is ethical practice. Preference should be given to suppliers who adhere to ethical labor practice and environmental standards. And scalability, the ability of the supplier to scale up or down based on the changing needs of the business. And the last one is technical support. Yeah, so supplier offering technical advice or support related to materials. Second one is relationship with suppliers. So the first one is joint planning and forecasting. Collaborate with suppliers to plan material needs and forecast for future requirement. Second one is feedback mechanisms. So provide feedback to suppliers about the performance in order to improve service quality. The third one is partnership for growth. So work with suppliers is to explore innovation and mutually beneficial opportunities. Last one is relationship with customer. So building a loyal customer base requires more than just selling products. Uh, First is proactive communication. So this one is for anticipate customer concern and address them before they become an issues. Second is customer education. So we will give a customer with information like about products, like care instruction or something else. And the third one is consistent quality assurance. So this is ensure that every product deliver meets expectation. So the last one is engagement through feedback. So we seek feedback from customer to improve our products and services. So the supply chain is all about smooth communication from customers to the production. This company focus on reliable suppliers and teamwork to ensure a seamless process. The next is inventory management. So inventory management by this company is product inventory using a structured method to ensure stock level so that can efficiently manage. So the first one is product inventory. PT Banwa is set the minimum stock level at 50 units and the maximum stock level is at 100 units. Sorry. And the second one is confection inventory. So they manage separately from regular products. And second one requires periodic checks to ensure availability and the quality of the products. For short and long term, the short term is for this confection business, short-term inventory focus on ensuring immediate stock availability and manage production inputs efficiently, like minimum and maximum stock level, like they are set, and just-in-time approach for perishable or time-sensitive materials. Use just-in-time method to reduce waste and optimize freshness. And daily stock checks, conduct daily checks on essential materials to ensure that production can continue smoothly without any interruption. And for the long term, this strategy aims to optimize the costs, improve supplier relationship, and manage demand fluctuation. So the first one is economic order quantity. This one is used to determine the optimal order size that minimize total inventory costs, like ordering and holding costs. And second one is ABC analysis. So first, prioritize inventory items based on their value and frequency of use. Like, for example, A items. It is a high value items that require more control or stick control. The second one is B items. It is this like a moderate value item, so they need just a regular monitoring. And C items is for low value action like accessories. Yeah, that can be stocked in large quantities, not not like A and B items. So next is supplier management. So for established long-term contracts with reliable suppliers to ensure steady access to the essential materials. And the last one is forecasting and demand planning. This use historical sales data to predict future demand and adjust inventory levels accordingly. So the company carefully manage inventory to balance costs and availability. They use strategies like just-in-time and ABC analysis to stay efficient. Okay, the last one, the next one is scheduling. So as you can see on the left side, this is customer operating hours. Like Monday, they open at 7:40 a.m. until 5 p.m. and they take a day off on Sunday. So the customer hours ensure the business provide consistent service through the week with early closure on Saturday and full closure on Sunday for rest, take a day off. So the employee shift schedule follow a structured shift pattern to cover the business operational efficient. Each employee works according to the general rules set by the owner, like 7:40 and end at 5. So employees are expected to manage their time and tasks within the provided shift framework. There's no special shift arrangement. Yeah, the employee schedule is the employees expect to arrive on time at 7:40 a.m. to ensure readiness before the business open for customer, and the shift end at 5 p.m. Okay, the next is maintenance will be explained by Hakim.
The next is maintenance. So they do daily routine and monthly routine. They have three main machine. First is cutting machine. For daily routine, clean the blades and cutting surface to remove debris. Ensure the cutting blade is sharp for precision. And for monthly routine, check the alignment for guides and safety features, and lubricate the blade for crack or damage. And second is for sewing machine. For daily routine, clean the machine to remove dust, lint, and treat residues, and inspect thread tension. And monthly routine, check blades, pulling, and motor alignment, tend to loose screws and parts. For hard press machine, for daily routine, wipe down the heat plate to remove dust, glue, or residues. Check the power cord and connection. And monthly routine, inspect and tighten loose screw and parts, replacing any worn out heating elements. Next. And next slide. Well, probably that's all for our group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Emang boleh.
Snack
Next
slide.
slide
Ham,
tapi udah
tunjukin
thank
aja
you.
Ham, kan thank you-nya di akhir.
Boleh snack slide.
Ilham.
Oh, halo. Gimana? Ini loh udah gak.
Ya udah
Udah.
maksudku tuh next slide tuh thank you. Makanya aku mau tutup di sana gitu loh. Masa di slide-nya?
Oh iya, make sense lah, make sense lah. Pinter mulutnya.
Sorry.
Apa ulang
Masa aku
dua
tutup
kali
di
dia?
sini kan aneh gitu
Kan,
loh.
kayaknya.
Ya
Ntar,
udah.
Emang mau ngulang apa?
nggak bagian
Tenang, kami banyak salah juga kok. Kami kayak cuek.
udah amat.
Iya, cuek. Beneran. Aku ada salah ngomong. Terus ada juga ngomongnya tabrakan. Kayak aku bilang next slide. Udah ada yang presentasi duluan. Udah saya konsep.
Agak
Ini
ngerti
kan bagian
tadi
akhir.
masalahnya.
Bawa tiga
Agak
ini.
ngelek.
Ya kan cuma di bagian akhir. What's wrong with it? Itu tidak akan mempengaruhi apapun.
Oh,
Pasti
enggak.
nilai isi
Oke,
kan.
gini aja pas bagian.
But my face,
Iya.
bro. My face.
Di mute aja deh. Apa gimana?
Pulang
Gampang
kan?
itu malah bisa di-cut.
Di mute. Enggak, maksudnya pas udah keluar thank you. Ya kan ya udah. Kan tadi kan bagian thank you malah bilang the next slide kan?
Nah, udah habis itu udah enggak sih?
Udah sih.
Gitu aja.
Kenapa beneran? Harus perfect. Orang kami sekali tag nggak peduli
Yang
Di
yang
YouTube-mu
sistem
ya?
information gimana?
Haya,
Hmm?
katanya perwakilan nggak sih buat ngumpulin tuh?
Kumpul videonya.
bukan sendiri.
Perwakilan
Sendiri.
satu
Kalau yang
orang.
video,
Iya video.
Nggak tahu juga aku.
Kan katanya
Iya, satu
cuma
orang.
linknya doang guys.
ya udah. Tapi bapaknya nggak ada yang ngasih kita.
Terus
Belum
video
ngasih
tuh
juga
operasi doang
bapaknya.
ya?
Iya.
Tapi
Ya
cara
udah.
presentasi yang satunya gimana?
Yang satu nggak dipresentasiin, Ham?
Oh, yang satu
Maksud
nggak
tuh nggak
presentasiin.
Mm-mm.
Yang
Cuman
Figma itu nggak usah.
kurang
Enggak.
vokal.
Oh, ya udah.
Tadi
Tinggal dikumpulin
cari
doang.
di ChatGPT aja. Nah, jadi kayak
Iya.
Nggak tahu
please
dikumpulinnya di
explain.
mana.
Bapaknya
Tetep
ini
kumpul aja nggak sih? Tetep kumpul aja nggak sih, takut ay.
Iya,
Ham, kamu tadi 3 nomor ya?
Iya.
Would you want to risk the
3 nomor.
exam?
Oh,
Terus sih.
udah nih.
Aja. Udah.
Terima kasih
Udah kan nih?
guys.
Ini doang kan?
Oh iya,
Tinggal
stop
ngumpul kan?
recording.
Thank you Ham.
Ya,
Ininya
ya, thank you semua.
Sigmanya, thank you Sigma.